18 months.
18 months ago. So I'll get to the side again. So if you scoot forward just a little bit, okay, again, bend that knee backward as much as you can.
Do I make it my heel flat or?
However you like. So if I look at that, actually, again, can you, there's a thermometer up there. Where's the right here? Actually, can you keep this for me over here?
Mm-hmm. Have one of them.
Do you?
Yep. Oh yeah, I made myself a little thing that I put up to the wall, so I knew like where this percent,
Yep.
and I put tape on the wall and I'd mark
Kind of
it.
like your goals, basically,
Mhm.
in progress. Okay. And then I'm gonna have you stand up again and do a squat,
Okay.
just to see how far you can go, but then also so you can get what that feels like. Okay.
There.
Feels like a lot of pressure in there,
Mm-hmm.
right in the front.
Yep.
So
A
then
little bit up here, but
on that right corner.
yep. Which
So that'll be our comparison after.
you can kind of see. I mean,
Yeah.
I know it's.
What are you feeling there? Or what
A
do you
little
not
bit
feel?
tight, right?
Okay.
Oh, and here, which is where it made more noise,
Mm-hmm.
and over here. But definitely more movement.
Okay. And what did you just tell Logan about, like this, more improvement?
Than I had in the last 16 months.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, thank you.